Hello guys, today I will show you how to host your own WhatsApp bot. Okay, so I'm working on this bot from a long time. Okay, so this is written in the Node.js language, and if you know Node.js, you can easily customize this bot by fork and then changes. You can easily understand the code that there are many listeners and all. Every time a new message comes, a function is be called and then so on. So you can understand if you know programming well. Okay, if you don't know programming, then you can also host this bot easily. Okay, so you will get this link in the description below. Okay, next thing you have, there is a lot of things written here. So you can, if you know like Heroku, Git and all, you can read all the things. It will be surely helpful for you to understand. Okay, if you know nothing, just come here. You can read the features it is having. So I have using is on this bot for my WhatsApp group. I have a lot of groups. So I use it to manage that. Like it count all the messages. Like I can get the number of messages of member has sent. So I can know which memory is inactive, like zero messages and all. It also posts tech news, notifies birthday, welcomes new member, automatically bans when unknown. India number is joined in the group. Okay, and prefix is this one exclamation sign. So there are many commands like public commands, member commands. Like there are 50 plus commands in this bot. So some commands are my customized commands, which will only work in my groups, not in your group. So that. Then there is also a create score update in this bot and a voting update and a lot of things. So you just have to get in the bottom. Easy way to deploy. Next, you have to click on this button, which is deploy to Heroku. Okay. After you open and this, you will get to sign up. Okay. If you already have account, you already have an account. You can just log in. If you don't have account, you have to create a new account and just give any name, whatever details you want to give. I will just do login because I already have an account in Heroku. I will do the login. Okay, next it will show me an page. Okay, it is saying to create new app. So simply it is a very simple step. If you don't get this page after login, you just have to click on this button again, then you will get into this page. Next you have to give an app name. So remember one thing, you have to give a unique name, like it doesn't belong to anyone else, like a first this name. Next you have to click on the deploy app, leave at it is. Items could not activate it because it is not available. Okay, so it is being taken by anyone else. I will give another name. Okay, now it is creating the app. So you just have to move to the next step, which is download Heroku CLI from here. You have to open this button. Then you will get into this page. You have to install the Windows version. If you have Windows, you have Mac OS, you have to install this. And okay, after installing this, you have to open the terminal, which is in my case is CMD. You have any terminal, you have to open it. Next, you have to follow the command, which is Heroku login. Heroku login. Press enter. It will ask you to press any key to open the browser. Okay, you have to press any key. Next it will automatically open a new app, new tab here. Okay, like this. You have to give the permission by clicking on the login button. Okay, logged in. Now here it is login at. Okay, so I am logged in my Heroku CLI. Next step, you have to follow this Heroku logs dash a your app name and then write the next command, which is Heroku logs dash a, then your app name. Okay, you have to check your app name, which is in my case this one. I will control C and insert shift plus insert and then dash tail. Okay, so I'm writing this thing. In this you have to write your app name. After that you have to press enter. Okay, you will get the logs here of your Heroku app. Okay, so you are getting a QR code here. Okay, so it will keep on refreshing and getting new QR code every 20 seconds, I think. So keep on scanning and After that, you scan, you be connected to the WhatsApp web. You have to open WhatsApp web in the in your phone, like in the linked accounts or what it is, linked account. Then you have to scan whatever you scan from, like in WhatsApp. You have to scan. You'll connect it to the bot. Next thing you have to do is rate this, like every 20-30 minute period. Heroku app sleeps, so you have to keep it alive. You have to get in this website, then you have to paste your app name, untick it, then click on here. Okay, so every step is done. Okay, so your pod will be working fine now, and you can test the commands. Like just type in this command, exclamation alive. It will reply you that the bot is alive. Then you can use other command also, like tech news command, then maybe in group kick command and all, sticker command, and a lot of commands. Okay, so these are the things you have to follow to host your app. You can also click here view. It will give you this page, like the features it is having and all, GitHub. And okay, so also if you are using this or using the code from my repo, so please give it a star. Like it encourage me to make such open source repos. Like I have also Apple Music downloader and Tech News poster, Spotify downloader, and a lot of other tools which you can also check in my profile. Okay, so these are the simple steps you have to follow to host your bot, and that your bot will be on. Okay, so to exit from this, you have to press Control C. Will exit, and you will be connected to the bot. Okay, so thank you.